Hello students and welcome to Toppscholars. Today we'll be talking about a very interesting topic, that is the cell division. Students, this is one of the most important and interesting topics in biology. So you must pay close attention. So let us begin with our very first subtopic, that is cell division. Now students, you must be thinking what exactly is meant by cell division. It is very simple students. Cell division is where one parent cell divides into two or more daughter cells. Okay students, and there is a very beautiful image showing cell division, which starts with just one cell and eventually, as you can see, it splits up into two new daughter cells. Okay, moving on students, a cell divides when it grows to its maximum size, and after division, the new daughter cells themselves grow in size and eventually divide again. And so the process goes on and on and on. So students, now let us talk about the different types of cell division. We have two types of organism. The one are prokaryotes, in which the division is very simple, something called as binary fission, which is also known as atypical or unequal division. Because here students, the entire cell divides randomly. There is no equal distribution of the organelles or equal distribution of the nucleus. Whereas in other organisms, that is eukaryotes like you and me, there is divisions like amitosis, followed by there is mitosis, and there is also one more type called as meiosis, which is the most complicated but the most important type of division. So students, let us first turn our attention to the very first type, that is amitosis. Now the name itself might be telling you something. It is something which will be very different from mitosis. That's why the name is amitosis. So let us take a look. The nucleus enlarges, elongates, and then eventually divides directly. Now students, this particular process is followed by the division of the cytoplasm called as cytokinesis to form two daughter cells. Okay, this type of division, that is amitosis, is mainly seen in the meganucleus, which you can very nicely see in the diagram of paramecium. Also students, it is seen in the cells of fetus, and also it is very commonly seen in endosperm cells. So students, in amitosis, there is no equal division. Therefore, it is very dissimilar to mitosis, thus the name amitosis. Let us now study about mitosis. Students, this is a very important type of cell division by which your cells as well as my cells are increasing in number, and also mitosis is very important for repairing the damage caused to our body. Let us see students, in mitosis, the cell divides to form two daughter cells, as you can see very nicely in the given diagram. Students, in this particular division, there is equal distribution of genetic material which was lacking in amitosis. Also students, the division of the nucleus and the cytoplasm occurs only once. Having said that, let us see the various stages of cell division. In mitosis, first, what we have is the division of the nucleus called as karyokinesis. Students, let us break down this word. Karyon means nucleus and kinesis means division. This karyokinesis is followed by the division of the cytoplasm called as cytokinesis, where cyto stands for cytoplasm and kinesis again means division. So the two stages are karyokinesis followed by cytokinesis. Now students, let us learn about a much more complicated type of cell division, that is meiosis. Students, meiosis involves rejuvenation and recombination of the genetic material. Students, meiosis is associated with the formation of spores in plants as well as fungi and gametes in animals. As you can see, the male gamete is the sperm, whereas the female gamete is the egg or the ovum. It is very important to know that meiosis occurs in a special diploid cell called as the germ cell. Okay students, mitosis occurs in somatic cells whereas meiosis occurs in special diploid cells known as germ cells. Moving on students, it involves two divisions. If you remember, mitosis involved only one division, but meiosis involves two divisions, which are termed as meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, as you can see very nicely in the given diagram. Okay students, so the two divisions in meiosis are meiosis 1 and followed by meiosis 2.
To learn more about this video, download Toppscholars app.